Hello everyone, Grandma here. Happy Vlogmas. Today we are making rice pudding. Rice pudding was one of the desserts my mom always made for Christmas Eve. Now we are carrying on the tradition. The ingredients are a half a cup of uncooked rice, a half a cup of sugar, 1 quart of milk, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Grandpa here. Now we're going to make the rice pudding. We have to put the rice, half a cup of rice, half a cup of sugar, mix it together. Then we got to add our milk, turn up our heat. Quart of milk, give it a stir. Now we got to bring this to a boil. Stir it around, mix it up. When it gets to a boil, then we're going to have to lower the heat, cover it, and cook it for 45 minutes. I had to stir it a little bit frequently because I don't want the rice to stick to the bottom of the pan. So I've been, every now and then I'd give it a stir. It's starting to really steam up now. It's to the boiling point, as you can see. So now we're going to reduce the heat down to medium, and we're going to cover it. And we're going to cook it for 45 minutes, stirring frequently. This is the part that takes the longest with this recipe. We got 15 more minutes to go to get to the 45-minute mark. Oh, 45 minutes is up. I had to take my egg and a teaspoon of water and mix it up, and now I'm going to add it to the rice pudding. And stir it up. And while I was cooking this for 45 minutes, every 5 minutes I would stir it, give it a stir. As it said, stir frequently. So I figured a 5-minute time would be enough. I'll let it sit there a minute before I put it into my bowl. A minute is up. Now I'm going to take it and put it into a bowl. Then go to the table and put them in the serving dishes. Now I'm going to scoop out the pudding and putting them in my dishes. And you could serve this either warm or cold. So there's all my serving dishes. This recipe made 6 dishes for me to serve. Now we have to let it cool down because we could serve it either warm or cool. I prefer it to be cool.
How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. Good, Ma. Tastes good.
Looks good.
Has a nice flavor to it. It's nice and creamy. Has a nice little taste of vanilla.
Glad you're enjoying it, Pa.
I'm enjoying it, Ma. It's one of my favorite puddings besides chocolate. It's good to the last spoonful.